Hello, good day. Today I want to show you how to design a sewer system using Civil 3D. So this is something that is familiar. If you are familiar with the Civil 3D interface, okay, I'm going to design a sewer system that is going to come from this place all the way here to then go back this somewhere to this place here. Okay, so the first thing that I want to do, I'm going to go to the prospectus tab like this so that I can start. Okay, I need to rebuild. I can't rebuild since I don't have the points, but anyway, let me just do what I wanted to show you. Okay, if you want to do a sewer system, you need to come here, go to pipe network creation true. Okay, from here I'm going to be using my own template, which is this one, the sanitary sewer Filipinos one. Okay, then I'm going to use wherever it reads Filipinos there, that's the right template, sewer Filipinos. Yes, we are good to go. Then I'm going to select this surface here, which is the surface that we see, and click OK. It might take a bit. Okay, now that the tool has shown up, let me just adjust it a bit. Now we have this tool here. The first thing is to check. Let's go to information. Let's go here. You find out that we've got this course Filipinos, this Filipinos, this Filipinos. This is the surface. Then it's going to read MH. Here you write what you want it to show, like MH, but that's for manhole. Then you insert a count. You insert a count like this. Here, you first of all write whatever you want to write. Then you insert a count, like next count, and you insert. That's how it works. Okay, it's going to start from 1. It can start from 0, 1 or something like that. Okay, then you click. It's going to start at 1. Click OK. That's what's going to happen with the pipes. The pipes are going to be named from 1 as it goes. Okay, it's going to this layer. This is not the right layer anyway. It should have been a layer that has to do with the sewer. It should have a W somewhere there. Don't really care much about that now. Then once you're done with that, let me come here. You see this is profile. These are the profiles. It's going to go to this profile. It's going to go to that. I've got no problems there. The layer, I don't care much about that. Now I've corrected the first one. Let's go for the surfaces. This is the right surface. Click OK. The alignment, I don't have alignment. Here, these are the paths now. I'm not going to use, okay, I'm going to be using this one. Okay, from there, the one that reads Filipinos, I told you is the best. Okay, here, no structure means that there's no structure here. This takes a bit of time, so I'm going to select the manual that I want to use. Let me use this one. Okay, then this is the pipe size. You can see these are mapping standards. We've got the 110 and the 160. Let me use the 160. If you like me to show you how to do the calculations, I can show you in another video. Okay, now I'm going to select this pipe in structure. Then when I'm done with that, it's going to start drawing. Let's say I'm collecting sewer here. For me to collect from this end, the first manual is here. Okay, then it goes all the way maybe to here. There's a fixed length that we have there. Then it goes all the way here. Then from that point, maybe it goes all the way here. Then from that point, it goes all the way maybe here. Then it finishes here. Okay, I'm going to click escape a couple of times. I'm going to close off this thing. As you can see, this is the first manual. These are the levels. We can adjust them. This is the invert level, the ground level, the invert level, and the depth. As you can see, they don't really make much sense. This is the pipe diameter. It's already filled in. the length of the pipe and the slope, which is horizontal. So let me close off this. Let me first of all change the display of the manual. I'm going to click on the manual. If I want to change its display, I'll come here to its read structure, because this is a structure. I'll click here and go to edit structure style. This is the display. This style is the display. Let's say I want a solid structure like this one. Let me go here and say apply. Okay, as you can see, the structure has changed. It's now a manual. If you select this one, we can come here to view object. As you see, this is what it looks like in three-dimensional space. Okay, we close that one. Maybe you might want to see the structure as well as the pipe that's connected to it. You come to here, you find out this is how these two are connected, as you can see. Okay, let me go on. I'm going to change the type of color that you see here. So I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to come here to structure and change here. Okay, I'm going to change the color to this one, color number 4. That's my favorite color for this kind of thing. Okay, I'm going to close. Let me come to this one. This one is a pipe. Then I'll go to pipe style. Okay, I'm going to change this. Let me close off this one and use the outer pipe diameter, and let me change it to color number 4 like that. Close off it. I think I'm good to go. So this is my network. Now it's not done if we don't have a longitudinal section. Okay, let's go for that for the longitudinal section. I'm going to, it's in Civil 3D, it's known as an alignment. Let me go to alignment here. Let me go create alignment from network. I'll click this one as the first manual. Then I'll click this one as the last manual and click enter. Once I'm done with that, I want it to read. Here I'll have to just select the sewer one. Here, no labels. Okay. I'm going to check here where it says create and say okay. Now I'm going to select the surface that it will be using, which is that one. I'm going to draw. I'm just going to rush to where it says bends here and change this one to something that has to do with sewer, which is this one. Then I'm going to create, and it's going to ask for a place. I'm going to put it here. As you can see, if I close off this one, this is my network. Let me move these pipes somewhere closer to the surface. Okay, they shouldn't be that deep. Now everything is starting to change. You'll see when I'm done in a moment. Okay, let me just do this. And let me move the last one here. This is the last one. Okay. Now, with this software here, it's a bit different from your AutoCAD. There's really no need for you to do a lot of adjustments. If I select this pipe here, I can go to properties. Then here, I'll put in as a percentage, let's say 1%, that means 1 in 100. As you can see, the pipe is already sloped. Let me go to the next one. Okay, escape, select this one. I'll click on properties here. Then I change this one to 1%. Apply. Okay. Let me go to the next one, which is this one. Okay, escape. Let me select this one. Here, I'll go and I'll select 1%. Okay. Then I'll close. Then I'll go for the last one. Okay, escape. The last one. Pipes. Let me go to this place and type in 1. Apply. Okay. As you can see, all my pipes are nicely sloped. Now, they don't have the necessary labels. So I just want to add the labels. I'll go here to annotation, select labels. Then this is a pipe network. Then I will select here entire network profile. Then I'll select this one. It then is on all the information, but it's displayed not in the right way. I'm going to select all the labels for the structures. The structures are the manholes. Okay, then I'll come to properties here. Then I can change all of them at once. Here's where this is where you get the, let me just stretch that out for you. Okay, I can just select here. I'm going to use this sewer sanitary Filipinos one. Then I'll say enter. You'll find out it's now making sense here. This one is about a meter deep. If you select this one and you move it a bit up here, you'll find out that the depth has changed, as you can see. So you can go here and select this one, go all the way. There should be a drop here so that there's no backflow in the sewer. Okay, I know you know all about sewer. Anyway, I'm not going to bother you with that. So I'm just moving these things so that you have an idea of what I want to achieve here. I move here, this one to there. Okay, this is my sewer system. As you can see, all the labels are there. If I change here, as you can see, this is 0.74 meters. That is what is here. If I choose to change it anyway, it will change in the other places. Okay, so these are the parcels. I don't really have interest in that for now. Okay, so as you can see, these are intersecting. If I select this label and I move it on the side here, the information is kept, it's maintained, as you can see. It's showing the pipe so that it doesn't get clamped. I can even move this one. Then a lead will appear to show you which manhole. Okay, as you can see, this is how you design your sewer system in for 3D. Then the information will automatically populate. You see, this is the ground level. It will automatically calculate the ground level at the points, these points here. Okay, after that, it will show you the slope and the length of the pipes and everything. As you can see, I think this is clear enough. Thank you for your time.